Hey guys, today we're checking out a must-have for a mini four-wheel drive enthusiast, Purple Rocket Tire Cleaner. The Purple Rocket has two available sizes, 45 ml and the 25 ml. Now this bottle is almost the same as your Tamiya car. This, see? It's very handy, so small, it can fit into your bag or into your porta-pit. Now inside there's a pea or a small marble. Let's try it. So you can hear it when you shake it. Now the purpose of this is to evenly distribute the liquid inside. Then the applicator looks like this. Here. So it's almost the same as the one that you can see in the highlighter or the pentel pen. Now you can clean it using a tissue or a cloth if it gets really dirty. Alright, so let's test it out. Now I've got these tires that I've been running on the track for a while. So as you can see, there's a lot of dirt and a bit of residue. So let's get this one. Okay, so turn it upside down first and then press the applicator for like 3 times. 1, 2, 3, so that the liquid will reach the tip. Okay, so just turn this on. Just turn your Tamiya car and then place your Purple Rocket like this. Okay, or even like this. Let's check out the tires first before applying the Purple Rocket. Start. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of dirt that we got from our tires. Here's the evidence. Okay, now for the tires. Okay, so as you can see, the tires are very clean and very fresh and good as new. Clean tires means better traction. On technical tracks with curbs and jumps, grip is everything. After cleaning, you'll notice your car sticking to the course better and maintaining speed through corners. What's good with this product is that it's easy to use and portable, restores tire grip instantly, extends tire life, doesn't smell like chemical, and no sticky residue. So where can you buy this product? I'll put the list in the description box for your reference. So if you're serious about racing and want consistent performance, Purple Rocket Tire Cleaner is definitely worth adding to your pit box. Clean tires equals faster laps, and faster laps equals more bits. We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and multi-tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.